Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Just a short video on lock tightening. This client had the Dreadlock Machine technique done on him, and now after the shampoo, after I put the locks in, I decided to tighten his locks. And so I'm using the technique I learned years ago with a tool. It is no longer on the market, but they have different variations of tools that you can tighten the locks from base like braiding. Enjoy.